Okay, take a look. So this is the very first day we've had the car out of the garage, really, where we can take a look at it, see it from all angles, sort of catch what the color looks like. It's a really nasty day out here, kind of just ugly, overcast, but I think the color looks really good. You guys can tell me what you think. So wheels are looking excellent, thanks Dan Pye. The glass is in, also looks very good. Had a chance to sort of torque everything down before we take it for its first run today. I'll take a walk around the car. You can see I got my GoPros mounted up. So right now you'll see the top of the dash is missing. We're going to be doing some speedometer calibration, get all of the interior figured out as far as dials and gauges working correctly. You see our parking brake working well right now, holding it in place. All the lights are working. We tested all that out, looking good. We got our sticker on there, registration, new plate, spare tire cover, which is bolted down in place. You can see the LED lights lighting up the pillars and the speaker system, as well as an air evacuation in the back so we don't pop the glass off when you're driving. Thank you, BMW. And our windows are down right now. Our blade handles. And here, if you want to open up the hood, get on the other side. I'll open up this side. Yep. And here we are. You can see the car open. I'll stand back, get you a better look at this. Looks really good. Fantastic. Probably should hold on to it with a little bit of wind today. These things are known to take off.
We have a prop.
And we have a prop. And so, knock on wood, right now we don't see any leaks. Cooling system is working well. Our variable fan speed on the rad fan, we'll have to see how that works out. Still some finishing things to do here and there as far as, bolting stuff down, but we want everything accessible right now just for the test run. And alignment is, well, completely by eye right now until we get it on a rack. So by 2x4, excellent. By 2x4. So I will end this video here, and hopefully the next video you see will be going down the road for the very first time. All right.
Make sure I'm secure.
You guys will notice the dash is missing. So yeah, we'll get the dash top on once everything gets calibrated up. So first run ever.
Let me get the handheld here.
All right, you're gonna have to let me know where I'm going.
Just gotta turn left, left, left. Parking brake off?
Yep. That was me fighting a hill. How's the clutch feel? Not bad. Easy, actually. And where I'm going? vehicle. It's a loud vehicle.
Keep going here.
Our oil pressure's fine. Temp is just coming up. Half a tank is what we read right now.
Picking up rocks and crap in the tires.
Oh yeah, I expected that. What we should do is come down that hill and give it some squeeze on the brakes. I'll do that next time around. Oh yeah, she's like a Rolls Royce. I'm gonna hit the brakes. Got lock up. Well, there's no lack of torque. That crunk noise is me on the brake. I can hear the pedal going tick 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 tick. That might just be when you get to stop. I'm not sure. They cancel well.
Yeah, I'm not sure what that is. We got some loose stuff kicking around.
You gonna hit the brakes again?
Okay. Stop.
Works.
6-piston calipers and 4-piston calipers. You really don't need a lot of braking for a 2,600 pound car.
No. How are we doing for temps and stuff?
Good.
Still not even touching 180. I think I prefer windows down.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's not quiet.
Oh, sounds great. Okay, brakes. It's biting more now.
Yeah. Well, they're a little bit greasy. Go that way.
Okay. How are we doing for temps and everything? Let's do a check. Half tank.
We're good.
Yeah, we're okay there. Lots of okay, we're charging. And let's
Yeah.
see any smoke.
182. Don't smell anything bad. Smell a bit of engine coming through the holes.
Where do I want to go? Go up and around?
You can go down and back in subdivision. Or you can go up and around.
Yeah, I'll go up and around. I know that route better.
How's the clutch feeling? Better?
Really good. It's very easy. I don't think we're doing 1,000 miles in this.
No?
No,
Not without ear protection.
no.
We have some, we got some wires and stuff that are loose and hitting.
Hear that? That's me on the brake. As I squeeze it. Click, 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 click.
Interesting.
I wonder if it's your stopper.
I don't know. I wonder what that could be.
Okay, we're up at 195 now for temps. Is it rattling?
I wouldn't be surprised if that's the brake shoe. side?
Any. I can't see a blind side here. Well, but the visibility out the front's pretty good.
Yeah, front visibility is excellent.
Any smoke behind us? See any? No. Hear that?
That's a rattle in the door.
It's in the door. Yeah, I had a bit of rattle in this door too. Not a lot, but it's there.
I think it's my fancy door winders. Yeah, it's definitely right here. It's in the door. It's in somewhere in here. I've got something loose in the dash.
God, there's a lot of hood in this car. Holy cow. You park a helicopter on the hood of this thing.
Yeah, there's a rattle right here locally. I don't know what it is, but it's just right in here somewhere.
Actually, I'll go up. I don't want to stop driving.
Well, it's awfully loud here, Jonas. I don't want to get the cops after us because some neighbor gets pissed off because they're not getting their beauty sleep. This thing is every bit as loud as the BMW.
Oh yeah. Well, it's also right by our ears. The BMW at least spits out the back.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, I don't know what it sounds like from the road.
Well, we might have to do some drive-bys. You can drive it by me and I'll take some video.
Well,
Oh, I see. The red light tells me when it's being using assist. Interesting.
no, the flashing red light is an error.
It's not flashing. It popped on there for a second. Ooh, that wasn't good. Didn't have to clutch in all. You really had to clutch deep. Yeah.
It'll get better.
Alright, well, when I come up and park it,
Yeah.
you can take a spin. The brakes are better now. The first time it was bad. And starting from hill assist, this doesn't have hill assist. Alright, give her the once over here.
Is it holding? Yep.
Yeah. Okay, you want me to shut it off or leave it?
Shut it off. I want to look it over.
Okay. First run. Amazing stuff.
What?
What? Okay, we survived our first drive. I went for a toot first, and then the master builder over here, he went for a drive. And yeah, there's definitely some things to button up on the car, but amazing experience, just amazing experience. It really, I didn't get anywhere near a quarter throttle. I don't know if I want to go anywhere past that for a while. It's there's definitely a lot of torque on demand. Let's just put it that way. 470-ish horsepower, and it doesn't weigh anything. So it goes really, really fast. The brakes definitely need more bedding time. They're kind of spongy. No, spongy is the wrong word. Kind of dead and unresponsive. I think that's just because they're not bedded in, and they are definitely not in any way assisted brakes. So they're going to take some time to get rolling correctly. And I think they just need more time, honestly. There's a couple little creaks and rattles here and there, and I think that's kind of normal for these things. But we're going to go and try to sort those things out. Next step, I don't know. We're going to see what we can do to fix up any of the rattles and stuff we've got going now. And then I just want to get out and drive it more. Maybe when the weather's a little nicer too. That would be nice. It's kind of cold today. Awesome. What a fantastic day.